Hello, my name is Todd Elgas, one of the used car managers here at Jordan Automotive. Most of our customers tell us that they like to do some homework before visiting a dealership to find out what they may expect to get for their trade. Once you get to the website, you'll notice that we have a tab that says Value Trade-In. Really a nice tool that we have here to get some information about your vehicle so that we can help evaluate that vehicle if you choose to come into the store to trade the vehicle or even to just sell it to us. So you'll notice what it has asked me to do is to go through and just give some general information about the car. It doesn't take very long to do, just some clicks of the button here. Very quick and easy to do. You'll want to click on any additional options that your car may have. We want to make sure that you get credit for anything. You'll notice here any aftermarket equipment. A lot of customers will put on remote starts, spoilers, things like that, and you'll want to get credit for those. Then there's a series of questions just to get to know the car a little bit better. The more accurate the information that you provide to Kelley Blue Book and to us, the more accurate the appraisal will be. So you just go through and click these to the best of your knowledge. Doesn't take very long to do this, talking probably 2 to 4 minutes. Unless you have a very rare car, it's within a few minutes you'll have a Kelley Blue Book instant cash offer. Once again, here they're wanting to know a little bit about damage on the vehicle. Most of the time what I see when appraising cars is some light scratches or damage to bumpers. That's the most common thing. So you'll want to just go through here and make sure that the information that you're providing is as accurate as possible. Hopefully no mechanical issues. And then of course you'll provide your name and email. This will be sent to us as well as yourself, and will allow us to start doing preliminary homework. Because our goal with the instant cash offer is to certainly give you the confidence while you're at home of what you may expect when you get to the dealership. It also allows us to start doing some preliminary homework on your vehicle. In a lot of cases, depending on the history of the vehicle and our history as far as how well the car sells, we may be able to offer you more than what Kelley Blue Book's instant cash offer is. One of the things that we enjoy to do is to sit down with you when you come into the store and review the history of the car, the service history, any work that you may have done to the vehicle in the recent past 6 months to a year that could be of great value to us. Test drive the car with you, walk around the car to make sure that the information that you've provided is accurate. And like I said, a lot of times we're able to give you a little bit more than what Kelley Blue Book Instant Cash Offer has provided you, just based on the fact that it's a car that we have a good sales history with. You'll notice already within minutes here, I've gotten an instant cash offer on a 2012 Camry that I plugged in. I hope this information has been very valuable. We encourage you to use the website and allow us to help partner with you to make this process as easy, simple, and stress-free as possible.